This Siberian Blue Quartz crystal wand radiates clarity, calm, and expanded awareness. Hand-cut with precise facets and polished to allow energy to move freely, its deep cobalt hue carries a quiet power that supports clear communication, inner vision, and intuitive understanding. Formed from a clear quartz seed infused with cobalt, this cultured crystal works gently with the throat and brow chakras, helping dissolve mental fog, release limiting thoughts, and reveal the bigger picture with ease. As you work with it, the energy feels steady, focused, and uplifting, a beautiful companion for meditation, intention setting, and moments when you're ready to see and speak your truth with confidence and calm.